test drive the 2018 M5. BMW M5 have delighted driving enthusiasts with a combination of breathtaking performance, stunning agility, and elegant luxury to create a unique driving experience. The BMW M5, introduced to the American market in October of 2005, takes those attributes to an even higher level than its predecessors with new design, new technology, and new engineering to create what truly can be considered an intriguing combination of a sports car and a luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.